I feel like the plant breeding and the variety space is kind of a broken system right now in Western Canada. I don't feel like we have a competitive system. It feels a little bit like the way we fund things is a little bit picking winners and losers and kind of keeps some investment out of the marketplace. And so for me, I would love to see a much more wide open marketplace for bringing varieties to market and access to genetics, and the feeling that private, public, or partnerships in some way have the full confidence that we can generate revenues in our marketplace, which will then generate revenues for our customers when they bring new genetics, better genetics, and invest more money in the system than we currently have invested in the system. So the relationship, public, private, and how that all works together, I think it can work together. I think we need both. I think we need the incentive to do that, and that means to generate revenue for the people that are using the genetics, us, our customers, and protecting from things that aren't here yet, right? Diseases that aren't a big issue yet. Okay, do we have the germplasm in the system to protect us from when that is potentially a problem? And sometimes that's a little bit non-competitive research, right? Because, you know, who wants to spend money on that if it's not a problem yet, right? But just having those genetics available and the system in place to generate revenues for the people that bring those to us and our customers, that's key. For plant breeding improvements, I would say for me, Fusarium was a big one. The varieties when I first came back to the farm 20 years ago didn't have great Fusarium packages, and those varieties got bred into the new varieties, and then yield got bred back in with the Fusarium package. And on CWRS, it really was a big difference between varieties 20 years ago to now. And Durham is just kind of going down that road as well right now. I think we need to encourage non-competitive research from public funds, but also then encourage a way for farmers to really contribute to the varieties they're using if they choose to use that new variety, that new technology, more so than we currently are. And that will then create more capacity for genetics to come to our doorstep. So if I could have one wish for farmers, it's to really understand more about how those genetics end up on their farm and pass the pit, how that food actually ends up on someone's table in another part of the world. Because there's a whole lot that goes on outside of our farming world. So we want them to understand about us. We also need to care and understand as much about those people on both ends, the breeding and the end user eating that food on the other end as well. So it's got to be a two-way street.